So I just got the Taurus G2C. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video for you guys. I already opened it, but I'm gonna just do a little unboxing for you guys. This is kind of how it came up before I opened it up. Your lock, gun lock for safety if you have, children and you're leaving it out, or you just transporting it from range to your house or such and such, and you don't have a concealed carry. This is your lock for your handgun. They send the instruction manual, pretty cool. Tells you everything you need to know about the gun, cleaning, components, all that. Lifetime warranty. You got a lifetime warranty, so activate your warranty immediately. Warranty TaurusUSA.com. Damn, stuttering Stanley. You can call me Stuttering Stanley. You don't, fuck it. So save 30 on the Viridian laser. I was gonna say laser and sight combo, but no, it's just a laser. Okay. Save 10 on holster as well. Okay. Got a little warning thing, a warning manual thingy. And finally, you got the actual gun in a nice little bag. It don't come with that. It don't come with that laser and sight combo. I had just put it on, but I wanted to do that unboxing for you guys, and I didn't want to take it off, so I was like, all right, I'll leave it on there. But what do you guys think, man? Taurus G2. I love the cyan two-tone. Black and cyan two-tone is so fucking nice, man. It looks different in person. I mean, in the camera it looks bluish, but in person it's more green than blue. It's empty, not racked, nothing in the chamber. So yes, I could flag myself, and I don't care. I'm gonna get some glow in the dark sight. I'm gonna get some glow in the dark. Slide locks back. Empty, empty, empty. Yes, sir. What do y'all think, man? What do y'all think? Let me know. Let me know. G2C compact cyan blue. And you know I kept that little 12 round in there, but yes, sir. Sized up my first handgun. What do you guys think, man? Drop down in the comment, hit that subscribe button. I got a couple other builds coming up. I got a PSA dagger frame coming up, so that should be arriving in like 3 to 4 days. 300 blackout, 762. Stay tuned, hit that sub button, hit that bell. Yeah, let's go. Boom.